Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're gonna do a very popular song called El Condor Pasa. All right, let's get to it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more songs. Leave a comment, and I'll be glad to work with you to get the sound that you're looking for. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so the song will start on a B. Then we're gonna move to E. Then we're gonna do a sharp D, E again, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, and B. It will sound something like this. All right, let's repeat. B, E, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, and B. It should sound something like this. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of vibrato on that B note. All right, next part will be up to D and down to B. Then up to E, D, and B. I'm using a little bit of a slide for an effect. So we're gonna go up to E. You can slide from D up to E. And then from A to B. Okay, next part. B, A, B, A, and then G, and down to E. Remember that when we're doing the G, we're gonna hold the instrument using these two fingers right here, okay? That will give you a better sound and more support. And then back down to D, D, G, and E. All right, let's repeat the whole part, number one, again. Okay, let's move on to part number two. So for part number two, we're gonna start on a B up to E. All right, again, B, C, D, E, and then we play with D, E, D, E, D, E 3 times. And then we're gonna go E, G, E, D. Again. Okay, and then we're gonna go part number 3. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you want to listen to the song in a recorded version stay a couple of minutes. Instead of me playing, I will share a couple of my road trip snapshots that I took on my last travel to see my father. So, by the way, happy Father's Day. I hope you had a great time enjoying your families. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all right? I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.